Wi-Fi yun eh. No, because I feel heavy this one. Got this huge part. This is in Greenwich Park in London. So I've never been here. It's our first time. It's a huge park. My Filipino guys, halos na. And there's a too. So we need to enjoy the most of it. Because next week might be cold. Basically, it's gonna be go back to 12 degree. So, mag-inaw na naman. Come. So, well, yeah. It's cool there. So let's see where you go. What you told us, Kuya. Kuya, show you something, Olay. Look at this. The cherry blossom. Only one star lang sabi. Ganda. Ganda ng kulay white. Ano? Here's the 2P. Nandun yung dalawa, guys. Oo. Hello, Oli! Look at this. Here's the whole view of London.
I can see traffic.
It's getting even better if we go more.
This is it. You will see the London.
It's a garden here, picnic करते हैं. हाँ, तू नहीं तू तो ऊपर आया मेरे. And that's the meridian.
this?
So guys, the park is like a festival, guys, because of, I think this is the first warm weather in spring. So the British, you cannot blame, guys, parang fiesta ang park, because this is like, it's the first time of the warm weather, and then people need to enjoy it, and it's half term as well. Saturday, last Saturday of half time, 2 weeks kasi ang half term dito. We're sitting down with our picnic mat, and I have this mixed nuts. I have Puyaga, Kyorel. We're just having a snacks because after like 3:45, we're going to Joel. Where are we going? Julie?
Jollibee. I love to go Jollibee.
Yeah, and we did nice view there. So after we go upstairs, so you will see in my vlog the nice view for that building. You see the whole London. So snacks muna kami, guys, and relax. Because when we go up there, it's a bit high. So we walk like 10 minutes lang, I think. And look at those people in the park. Para siyang fiesta, guys. Kasi yung mga Briton, and this is the first warm weather of spring, I think, Manila. So naka-hoodie pa din ako. Na-init ka ako. Buti na lang si Olya. Yung jumper hindi woolly. Cotton. So tingnan mo ito, pakita ko sa inyo doon. Maraming tao. Look at the people there. Diba ang grabe ang dami. Beautiful view. This is another. This is a huge park, by the way. Ang ganda ng kumakain sa snacks niya. Say hello, amazing people.
Hello.
Ang daming tao. Yung dalawa ano ng basura, guys. Yung kinainan namin kasi dito, guys. You have a bin. Basurahan. That's why yung mga park dito sobrang malinis kasi people is cooperate. Although may mga ano din, pero bihira lang talaga. Tingnan mo yun, may nakita ka bang ano dun. Sa atin kasi, Diyos ko, kahit naman nga sa mga beach dito, ang linis. Di ka kakita ng ano. Kasi may mga nilagay din na ano. Sa Pilipinas, kahit nilagyan ng ano, yung iba. Walang cooperation. Importante din yung ano. You don't think about yourself only. You just like, think about other people. Kasi yung basura, for example, yung bottle, people can trip it, so they can slide. So you need to be mindful of some other people, not only yourself. I'm just saying. What are you doing?
I'm leaving.
Okay. So I go home because we still need to. No, we need to make a move because kakain pa kami sa Jollibee, guys. So it's just like the train is like up an hour away because this is not central London. It's so good. And that's happy ang ano. What's that there, my love? Why we need to go that way? Wait na kami. weather is so amazing. Kuya, you live only, Kuya. Oh, Kuya. Look at that amazing ship. Wow. Oli. Ang ganda, grabe.
Maybe if you keep going that way.
Yeah, come on then, we need to.
You can still film. Make sure you walk it.
We're gonna go on train station. Look at this. What a nice view.
Maganda.
I think this building is like the old house of Queen. I don't know. Not sure. And they make it a gallery now. So first class. Hindi kami first class, guys. We just sit down. We're allowed to sit down naman. Even our ticket is not first class. Oh, what's wrong with your ticket?
Don't push it.
No.
We can open it, see?
Except circle.
Going home after we eat Jollibee. Do you enjoy your Saturday? Yeah. We are in the sitting down in the first class. Our ticket is not first class, but it's fine. Say bye, amazing people. We're going home now.
Amazing people, we can home.
We're having a good time
We're having a good time.
with my kuya and mommy. Where's your daddy then? Tell me, where's your daddy?
Is that work?
No, he's not working today. He's visiting Rwanda. Well, very amazing people. Wait, honey. Thank you for watching. God bless. Be kind.